I am Dr. Balachandra, Professor of Medicine, Saptagiri Institute of Medical Science, Bangalore. Tadasana, that's a mountain pose. Stand upright with your feet slightly apart, ensuring that the soles of your feet remain in contact with the ground. Keep your hands straight up by your sides and gaze forward. Slowly inhale and lift your arms in front and bringing them up to the shoulder height. Lock the fingers of both of your hands together. Slowly rotate your wrist outwards. Inhale again and lift the hand over your head. While you lift your arms, simultaneously lift your heels off the floor, keeping your body weight balanced on the toes. Hold this pose for 20 to 30 seconds before going back to the initial position. And definitely the benefits of this would be, this improves the posture alignment, boost blood circulation, support heart health. It is helpful in relieving tension, boosting blood circulation and assuring breathing. In addition, normalizing the blood pressure levels. It helps in strengthening your vertebral column. Improved posture, that is Tadasana, helps to align the body, which can lead to better posture and breathing, benefiting oxygenation and circulation. The pose encourages blood flow throughout the body, ensuring vital organs, tissues receiving adequate oxygen and nutrients. Tadasana promotes deep, steady breath, which can help to rejuvenate the heart, vital organs and tissues with adequate oxygen and nutrients. Tadasana promotes deep, steady breaths, which can help to regulate your heart rate and lower blood pressure, contributing to the heart health. And there is also found to be stress reduction by focusing on the breath and body alignment. Tadasana can calm the mind and reduce stress, which is a significant factor in cardiovascular benefits. Tadasana strengthens the leg muscles, which aids in circulation and reduces strain on the heart. Tadasana serves as a foundational pose for many other yoga practices, helping to build a strong and stable base for more complex poses. Regular practice of Tadasana can contribute to improved physical, mental well-being, supporting overall health and including the heart health.